As we grow older, preserving clear vision becomes increasingly important for maintaining independence and quality of life. The risk of age-related eye conditions, such as macular degeneration and glaucoma, rises with advancing years. Fortunately, research shows that diet can play a significant role in supporting eye health for seniors. Consuming foods rich in specific nutrients helps protect the eyes from damage and may slow the progression of common vision problems. By making thoughtful choices about what we eat, it's possible to support healthy eyesight well into our later years. Understanding which nutrients are most beneficial is the first step toward maintaining good vision as we age. Recent scientific studies have revealed a strong link between certain nutrients and better vision as we age. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, play a crucial role in maintaining retinal health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, present in leafy greens like spinach and kale, help filter harmful blue light and protect the retina. Vitamins A, C, and E, sourced from colorful fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, support various aspects of eye function and help prevent cellular damage. Notably, research published in late 2024 highlights the impact of omega-3s in lowering the risk of severe eye conditions, while higher intake of vitamins A, B2, and C has been associated with a reduced risk of glaucoma in older women. These findings underscore the importance of a nutrient-rich diet for preserving vision well into later life. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining retinal health, particularly as we age. These healthy fats, found abundantly in fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are essential components of the cell membranes in the retina. Research has shown that omega-3s help reduce inflammation and support the function of photoreceptor cells, which are vital for clear vision. Recent studies highlight their potential to lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, a leading cause of vision loss among older adults. By regularly including omega-3-rich foods in your diet, you may help protect your eyes from degenerative changes and preserve your vision well into later life. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, especially as we age. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are among the richest dietary sources of these essential nutrients. Consuming these fish provides the body with the specific types of omega-3s that support retinal health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Experts recommend including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to ensure adequate intake of omega-3s. By making these fish a regular part of your meals, you can help protect your eyes and promote long-term visual health. Lutein and zeaxanthin are powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in maintaining eye health, especially as we age. These nutrients are found in high concentrations within the retina, where they help filter out harmful blue light from digital screens and sunlight. By absorbing this light, lutein and zeaxanthin reduce oxidative stress and prevent damage to sensitive retinal cells. Studies have shown that a diet rich in leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, can boost levels of these antioxidants in the eye. Regular intake may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other vision problems. Incorporating foods high in lutein and zeaxanthin is a simple yet effective way to support long-term retinal health. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are among the best natural sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the retina by filtering out harmful blue light. Regular consumption of these vegetables can help maintain healthy vision, especially as we age. Including a variety of leafy greens in your meals ensures you receive these essential nutrients, which have been linked to a lower risk of age-related eye conditions. By making spinach, kale, and collard greens a staple in your diet, you support the long-term health of your eyes. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, especially in low-light conditions. It is essential for the proper functioning of the retina, where it helps convert light into signals that the brain can interpret as images. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to difficulties seeing at night, a condition known as night blindness. Fortunately, this important nutrient is found in a variety of everyday foods. Carrots and sweet potatoes are well-known sources, providing beta-carotene that the body converts into vitamin A. Eggs also contribute to vitamin A intake, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Including these foods regularly can help support optimal night vision and overall eye health. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of blood vessels within the eyes. This powerful antioxidant helps strengthen the delicate capillaries that supply nutrients and oxygen to eye tissues, supporting overall visual function. Regular intake of vitamin C has been linked to a lower risk of cataracts and age-related eye conditions. Citrus fruits are among the best sources of this nutrient, with oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes providing high concentrations. Including these fruits in your daily diet can help ensure your eyes receive the support they need to stay healthy as you age. Vitamin E plays a crucial role in safeguarding eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant helps maintain the integrity of the cells in the retina, which is essential for preserving vision as we age. Excellent dietary sources of vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and peanuts. Incorporating these nuts and seeds into your daily meals can provide a steady supply of this important nutrient. Research has shown that adequate vitamin E intake may help reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions, supporting overall eye health. By choosing a variety of vitamin E-rich foods, you can help protect your vision well into later life. A study published in October 2024 has shed new light on the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids for eye health, particularly in older adults. Researchers found that regular consumption of omega-3s, which are abundant in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, may significantly reduce the risk of developing geographic atrophy, a severe form of age-related macular degeneration. This condition leads to the progressive loss of retinal cells, resulting in impaired vision. The study highlights how omega-3s support retinal integrity and help slow the advancement of this debilitating disease. These findings suggest that including omega-3-rich foods in the diet could play a crucial role in preserving vision as we age. Recent studies have revealed a promising connection between nutrition and eye health, particularly for older women. Higher intake of vitamins A, B2, and C has been associated with a decreased risk of developing glaucoma, a condition that can lead to vision loss if left untreated. Vitamin A, found in foods like carrots and eggs, supports night vision and overall eye function. Vitamin B2, or riboflavin, is present in dairy products and leafy greens and plays a role in maintaining healthy corneas. Vitamin C, abundant in citrus fruits, helps protect the blood vessels in the eyes from damage. These findings suggest that a balanced diet rich in these vitamins may offer protective benefits for vision as we age. Including fatty fish in your weekly meal plan is a simple and effective way to support eye health. Fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to benefit retinal function and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Aim to enjoy these fish at least twice a week. You can add grilled salmon to salads, prepare sardine sandwiches, or include mackerel in stir-fries for variety. For those who prefer milder flavors, baked or poached fish with herbs and lemon can be a tasty option. If fresh fish isn't readily available, canned or frozen varieties still provide valuable nutrients. By making fatty fish a regular part of your diet, you can take a proactive step toward maintaining healthy vision as you age. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your daily meals is a simple and effective way to boost your intake of lutein and zeaxanthin, two key antioxidants for eye health. You can add spinach or kale to omelets, blend them into smoothies, or toss them into salads for extra nutrition. Sautéed collard greens make a flavorful side dish, while arugula and Swiss chard can be layered into sandwiches or wraps. For added convenience, try mixing different greens into soups and stews, or use them as a base for grain bowls. By regularly varying the types of greens you eat, you ensure a broader range of nutrients that support healthy vision as you age. Including a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits in your daily meals is a simple yet powerful way to support your eye health. Each color represents a unique set of vitamins and antioxidants, which work together to protect your vision as you age. For example, Orange and yellow, produced like carrots and sweet potatoes, are rich in vitamin A, while leafy greens provide lutein and zeaxanthin. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and grapefruits, offer an excellent source of vitamin C, supporting the health of blood vessels in the eyes. By enjoying a diverse range of fruits and vegetables, you can help ensure your body receives the nutrients it needs to maintain clear, healthy vision well into your senior years. Creating balanced, nutrient-rich meals is key to supporting both vision and overall health as we age. Start by including a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits, which provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are particularly beneficial for eye health due to their high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin. Incorporate fatty fish such as salmon or sardines twice a week to supply omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain retinal function. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds offer additional nutrients like vitamin E and fiber, supporting general wellness. Aim for moderate portions and limit processed foods, focusing instead on fresh, whole ingredients. By thoughtfully combining these foods, seniors can enjoy meals that nurture their bodies and help preserve their vision well into later life. As we age, maintaining a healthy diet can become increasingly challenging for many seniors. Factors such as reduced appetite, difficulty chewing or swallowing, and limited mobility often make it harder to prepare and enjoy nutritious meals. Budget constraints and restricted access to fresh foods may also play a role. To overcome these obstacles, seniors can seek out community meal programs, opt for easy-to-prepare recipes, and choose softer foods that are rich in essential nutrients. Incorporating frozen or canned fruits and vegetables can help ensure a balanced diet when fresh options are limited. Consulting with a healthcare provider or nutritionist can provide personalized guidance, making it easier to meet dietary needs and support overall well-being. Regular eye checkups play a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, especially as we age. These appointments allow eye care professionals to detect early signs of conditions like glaucoma, cataracts, and age-related macular degeneration before symptoms become noticeable. While medical care is essential, nutrition serves as a powerful complement in preserving eyesight. Consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, can help protect the eyes from damage and support overall eye health. By combining routine professional evaluations with a nutrient-rich diet, individuals can take proactive steps to safeguard their vision for years to come. Maintaining clear vision as we age is closely linked to the nutrients we consume. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, are vital for retinal health and may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale provide lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect the retina from harmful light. Vitamin A, present in carrots and sweet potatoes, supports night vision, while vitamin C from citrus fruits aids the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Vitamin E, found in nuts and seeds, helps shield eye cells from damage. By regularly including these foods in your diet, you can support and potentially enhance your vision well into your later years. Making small, consistent changes to your diet can have a significant impact on your eye health as you age. Seniors are encouraged to start by adding nutrient-rich foods, such as leafy greens, fatty fish, and colorful fruits, into their meals. Gradual adjustments, rather than drastic overhauls, are often more sustainable and easier to maintain over time. Even simple steps, like choosing salmon for dinner or snacking on almonds, can contribute to better vision. Research shows that these incremental improvements can help protect against age-related eye conditions. By embracing these changes at your own pace, you support your eyesight and overall well-being for years to come. Achieving better vision well into your 90s is not just a matter of genetics or luck. It's largely influenced by the choices you make every day. Consistently including nutrient-rich foods like fatty fish, leafy greens, and colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals can provide the essential vitamins and antioxidants your eyes need to stay healthy. Research continues to show that mindful eating habits play a significant role in protecting against age-related vision decline. By making these dietary choices a regular part of your routine, you can actively support your eye health and maintain clearer vision as you age. Ultimately, a thoughtful approach to nutrition offers a practical and effective way to preserve your sight for years to come.